Yeah, pare, nakailang ka? Pare, wax on the road.
5K.
5. Okay, 5 kilometers na, teacher. Oh, peace bomb. Oh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa traditional speed. Teacher, kaya ba? Okay, barefoot running day 409 with teacher. Naka-uniform ka, uniform. O, dahil tao. Alright. Parang siksikan ngayon. Sobrang dami. Maganda nung latag ng ulap. Pero siyempre, mas maganda pa rin sa teacher. Ang lahat. Ayun eh. Okay, 1 kilometer, teacher. Pace namin ay 7 minutes and 58 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 91 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 2 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes. Ang calories burn natin ay 176 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 3 kilometers, teacher.
3 na ba?
Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 263 kilocalories burn. Alright. Pawing wax. Washing. Ilan na?
Isa pa.
Ha?
Isa pa.
Ilan ka ba? 5?
5 lang.
Alright.
Roll.
Rock and roll. Okay, 4 kilometers, teacher. Madilim na. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Ang calories burn natin 344 kilocalories burn. Teacher, on the road. Okay, nandito na tayo sa traditional speed. Teacher, kaya ba? Kaya yan. Oh. Alright. Okay, 5 kilometers na, teacher. Oh, peace bomb. Oh. Ang oras natin ay 36 minutes and... Ano?
36 minutes and 18 seconds.
36 minutes and 18 seconds. Calories burn natin ay 436 kilocalories burn. Ang pace natin huli is 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Overall pace is 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Alright, cool down. Ayaw pa niya kanina, pero mas mabilis pa rin itong pace namin ngayon. Alright, cool down. Yeah, pare, nakailang ka? Pare, wax on the road.
5K.
5K, ay.
Ninong, paying 5K.
5K, Ninong, magpapasko na. Alright.